Here's what you need to know before you dive into A6. Alright, for questions like these where we have a fraction in the numerator and in the denominator, there's generally two ways I like to rewrite them to make it easier to work with. One is to change the large fraction bar into a division symbol and to do the keep change flip method that we did in section A5. But an even faster method is to multiply the top and the bottom numbers to make your new numerator, and to multiply the two middle numbers to make your new denominator. So for example, 4 times 5 is 20, and 3 times 7 is 21. 2 times 8 is 16, and 7 times 9 is 63. 5 times 8 is 40, and 7 times 9 is 63. Next question, how can you support this channel to continue making videos? Well, this one's pretty straightforward. You just need to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Note that whenever you get an answer, it needs to be in its simplest form. So for example, with this question, 4 times 9 would give me 36, and 9 times 2 would give me 18. However, if I put 36 over 18 as my answer, it would be marked incorrect because it's not in its simplest form. To make sure that a fraction is in its simplest form, list out all the factors of the numerator and the denominator and look for the greatest common factor. In this case, it happens to be 18. So I divide my numerator and my denominator by 18, so it simplifies to 2 over 1. In this next example, we can do 6 times 5 to make 30, 5 times 3 to make 15, and list all the factors of each. And since 15 is a factor of both 30 and 15, we could divide both of them by 15, which simplifies to, once again, 2 over 1. Next, we can start with multiplying 10 times 5 to get 50, and 9 times 8 to get 72. When I list all the factors for each, I notice that the greatest common factor is 2, so I divide each of them by 2. 50 divided by 2 gives me 25, and 72 divided by 2 is 36. So my answer is 25 over 36. That's all I've got for this lesson, but if you want to see more videos just like this, you should check out the Algebra 1 IXL playlist right here. This is Mr. Leo with Epic Math. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.